So this is a short video showing you how to actually combine objects so that you can actually move them as one. So I have the cube here, and let's say we want to add mesh, and let's do a cone. Oh, my cone's over here. I got the cone over here. So if I wanted to actually put the cone on top, instead of, okay, if I want to shift everything over to the right, then I got to move the cone over here, and then I got to click the cube and move the cube over here, and then think about, okay, am I directly on it? To eliminate that, I can actually combine, if you want to combine the objects together as one, I'm going to click the cone, or right click the cone, hold shift on the keyboard, again right click the cube. Now both are highlighted. Let go of the shift key, and then on the left under object tools I can click the word join. Okay, so now when I move this, they move together, and they're actually one object together now. Another quick thing is if I'm really happy with this object, I can actually duplicate it. For example, this would be great if I made one tree and I want to make multiple trees. So I can click duplicate objects, and now I have two of them. Oh, came up pretty quickly. There you go. And again. And again. You get the idea. Thanks for watching.